suitable to price. Good location with big car parking. Rooms are really small but okay for short stay. Decent for what you pay. The room is basic but clean. Staff in the hotel is friendly. 5 kilometers from Valenciennes, taxi €20. Affordable comfort at Premier Classe Valenciennes Ouest Petite Foret Hotel. Welcome to Premier Classe Valenciennes Ouest Petite Foret Hotel, a budget-friendly accommodation option located in the charming town of Petite Foret, France. With 74 cozy and well-appointed rooms, this one-star hotel offers affordable comfort for both business and leisure travelers. Check-in at Premier Classe Valenciennes Ouest Petite Foret Hotel begins at 2 p.m., allowing you plenty of time to settle in and relax after a long journey. The friendly and professional staff will be ready to assist you upon arrival, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. If you arrive earlier than the designated check-in time, the hotel provides a secure luggage storage area where you can safely store your belongings. When it comes to checkout, you have until 12 p.m. to complete your stay at Premier Classe Valenciennes Ouest Petite Foret Hotel. This convenient checkout time allows you to enjoy a leisurely morning and make the most of your last day in Petite Foret. If you need assistance with your luggage or have any other requests, the hotel staff will be more than happy to assist you. Please note that Premier Classe Valenciennes Ouest Petite Foret Hotel operates a child policy. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is advisable to contact the hotel directly for more information regarding the specific child policy and any additional fees that may apply. The hotel staff is always ready to answer any questions you may have and provide you with all the necessary information to ensure a pleasant stay for you and your family. Unwind and enjoy at Premier Classe Valenciennes Ouest Petite Foret Hotel. Serene garden at Premier Classe Valenciennes Ouest Petite Foret Hotel. Guests can bask in the tranquility of the hotel's beautifully landscaped garden. Nestled amidst lush greenery, this serene oasis offers a peaceful retreat where guests can unwind and relax. Whether you are looking to soak up the sun, enjoy a leisurely stroll, or simply find a quiet spot to read a book, the hotel's garden is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. With comfortable seating areas scattered throughout, you can find your own little corner of paradise and immerse yourself in the natural beauty that surrounds you.